But what about someone like me, just starting out, no huge following or anything? Can you really build a community from scratch using this stuff?
Absolutely. In fact, Max's story proves it.
Yeah.
Started with zero audience, just him and a whole lot of free, awesome content.
No way. He practiced what he preaches. Don't tell me he's getting like stats to back this up.
Oh, he's got the receipts. He built a YouTube channel from scratch, over 50,000 subscribers, and made $655,000 in affiliate revenue in 1 year.
Hold up, $655,000 in a year, mostly from offering free stuff. All right, now you've got my attention. Spill the beans. How do you pull that off?
Patience, my friend. It's about the long game. Max calls it like jab, 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 right hook.
Yeah.
Value, 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 and then when the time's right, you make your move.
Give, 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 then ask. I like the sound of that. But how are you actually reaching those people in the first place, especially when you're starting from zero? I think you mentioned something earlier about a many-chat strategy.
Ah, yes. Now this is where things get interesting. He told this story, see, about how he used a single Instagram reel to get 500,000 views.
500,000 views from one reel. Okay, you got to tell me everything.
Yeah, so it's all about strategy,
Yeah.
right? And it's not even that complicated. He starts with an Instagram reel, something super engaging, got to grab that attention quickly.
Okay, pretty standard stuff so far. Got our eye-catching reel. What's next?